Welcome back to the garage. If you want to practice some beginning woodworking skills, if you want to make something easy and fun for a friend, or if you want a project you can batch out and try to sell, this video is for you. Today we're going to turn a small section of this 4x4 into 3 separate blocks that can each hold pencils, crayons, pens, or anything else you want to write or do some art with. Before we start, let me quickly tell you about this piece of lumber. I've been looking for a good 4x4 for months at Lowe's and Home Depot, and I really couldn't find a good piece that didn't have too many flaws in it. I finally came across this the other day, and it was $10.
Lucky.
Well, what a surprise when I scanned the barcode and found out that it wasn't $10, it was $24. When you plan on spending $10 and you actually spend $24, feels like this.
Come on, go!
Let's get to it. The first thing we're going to do is run this 4x4 through a planer. We're going to bring the sides down to 3 1/4 inches. If you're like me, you deal with snipe every time you use your planer. It's time to cut the length of each pencil holder. The smaller holder will be 3 1/4 inches tall, leaving us with a cube. The taller pencil holder with the individual slots will be 6 1/2 inches tall, which is double the width. Our last pencil holder will be 12 inches long.
And here we go.
As you can see, our third pencil holder has an added botanical feature.
Excellent, 10 points to Gryffindor.
I coated the 2-inch hole with 5-minute epoxy and let it cure. I picked up a cactus at Lowe's for $5, and now that we've added some green to the project, the remaining question is, can this project generate some green? Honestly, I have no idea. The point of this video was not to make a money generator, but to share something that beginners could give a try. By all means, make some of these and try and sell them. If it works out for you, or if it doesn't, let us know in the comments below. Until next time, go get lost in the garage.